And the race is on. Lucky Lorky, security check, Meadowland Aras. And moving up by the rally's Flare Bottoms. Security check, Flare Bottoms in second, Black Parade. Meadowland, My Purpy, Final Impact, Danori inside. Alongside 7th position is Aras, Lucky Lorky. By the rally's 11 Yan Queen, Admiral Contender, Grand Sensation, second last. And Late Bloomer is running at the tail of the field. Security check. Flare Bottoms is running by the rail. Black Parade racing on the outside. My Purpy, Final Impact, and Meadowland as they race the last 500. Security check. Black Parade is on the outside. Flare Bottoms is running by the rail. My Purpy as they race the final corner. Black Parade, Flare Bottoms, down on the inside. Security check. Final Impact by the rail. My Purpy. Black Parade by a length and a half. Flare Bottoms is running by the rail. Black Parade, Flare Bottoms is running down on the inside. Black Parade, Flare Bottoms moves up. And finally, Flare Bottoms, Black Parade, Lucky Lorky, Meadowland, Aras, and number 6 for your Super 6, My Purpy.
2, 5, 7. Ano yung